Hello everyone. If you are using Langchain very frequently, then this video could be for you. So in this video, I am going to share you 2 tips which will help you to load your files very easily and seamlessly. So let's quickly look into that. The first way is, this is the default way. So let's say if you are loading your files using directory loader, which is an offering from Langchain. So in that case, what we usually do is we will use the directory loader and will pass these parameters to its constructor. So the first parameter is the directory path. Then we have glog, which will take the extension, what kind of files you are interested, and then we have the loader type. So this is the default way, and if you're going with this particular way, you will see that the output is something like which is displayed over here. Now the question is, let's say if you are loading 10 or 20 files, in that case one of the file is having some trouble, maybe it was corrupted or something happened to that, and due to that the system cannot load this file. So if you are going with this particular approach, your function will fail and you won't be able to proceed. So let's see how we can deal that kind of errors. So to handle that, what you need to do is you just need to enable the silent errors true. So this is the flag or the parameter which you can pass it in your directory loader, and what it will do is it will silently ignore the file which is having any kind of trouble and will proceed with rest of the files. So in that case, let's say if you're having 10 files and one is having trouble, still you can go ahead with your 9 files. So this is very useful because it would be very difficult for you to detect which file is having trouble and then skip it. Next important parameter I can show you is, let's say you have files of different types or different encodings. So in that case, if it is same, then you can definitely go ahead and say, okay, this is UTF-8 or whatever encoding. But let's say you are not sure what type of encoding, or you are having different kinds of encoding in your files, then you can simply append or use this parameter text loader KW args, and in this you can say auto detect encoding as true. So whenever you are passing this particular parameter, it will automatically detect the encoding of your input file and things will work out very seamlessly. So I hope you find these 2 tips very useful, and thanks for watching.